I can't without the music, baby. Can't create without the vibrates, okay?
Like I said, I was gonna get my 2. They really owe me 3, but I'll let it slide.
You find a new nerve and here's the work. I work in mine.
The way it's gonna get done. It's gonna get done, okay?
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
And I have a desire for life. You know, art is what I do. It's not who I am. These moments, looking at the water, glancing at the sun, being with you, this is who I am. I can't make art if I don't live. Yeah. So I have to be able to be myself and live in these moments. I'm gonna write about this. I know I am.
I'm about to go all the way back to the house to go get my headphones. Class don't let out till 2:50 anyway. It's only 1:40, so I still got an hour and 10 minutes left. About to go grab these headphones. I can't without the music, baby. Can't create without the vibrates, okay? But yeah, that's what I'm about to go do.
When you're sowing the seeds, you don't know what's going to happen. And there are some moments where it feels like, why am I doing this? What does this mean? You know, and we like to have answers.
We want to be in control, right? But when we surrender, then we don't care about the answer, right? Now we're living in trust. Now we're just living in obedience. And then you have to remember, like, oh, the same day that I sow the seed is not the day the harvest comes. Like, it takes time, water, time, right? Nutrition, time. You sow it and don't worry about it. Because, honey, you just, all of a sudden, one day you pop up and you see it growing. And you're like, oh. And then it just, as it grows, it starts to bloom. And then you be like, oh, wait, it's actually fruit on here. Oh, wait, now I can see the fruit. It ain't time to eat it yet. It's living in the trusting, the faith, and just in the pure obedience. When you get to that place, that's what gives you peace. That's what makes you not be concerned about what's to come. That also gives you the ability to say no and stop trying to say yes to everything. It really gives you pure sanity. Like, you don't feel unbalanced. You just like, okay, God, I know, I trust you. Even when I don't understand, I trust you anyway.
Yeah.
I'm currently in the business building, lost, looking for a vending machine. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Bingo. Bingo, we got action, y'all. Thankfully. This is what I've been looking for. All I had to do was go to the 2nd floor. I was on the 3rd.
This is the 2nd time that this vending machine then took my bag of chips. This is why I don't come to this one. It took my order last time. Oh no, it's coming out today. This order coming out. I can't believe I want this.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
Now I'm about to have to spend another $1.75 to try to get my chips. It better give me 2. I'm getting 2. I'm claiming it.
Like I said, I was gonna get my 2. They really owe me 3, but I'll let it slide.
I'm about to go get me something to eat right now. I done walked out of that class. Hold up, I got my headphones. I just walked out of the class because I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little annoyed. It was an assignment that I had emailed him, and then he wanted to tell me about another one that I didn't do, which I did forget. He told me previously about, but it kind of pissed me off because the other day I just saw him, and you just told me that you got the other assignment, was making sure I emailed it to you. Why not remind me or tell me about that assignment? instead of coming in today telling me something about it. That's the only thing that I don't like, and it really irritated me. But I don't even care because it's 2.5 points. It's not even a full 3 points. It's not even 5 points. It's not even really any points that's gonna be missing. So I don't even care about that. I'm not even gonna lie. It is what it is. Yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm not about to let this ruin my day. Let me go ahead and walk out and go ahead and get me something to eat. So that's what I did. He didn't even start class, so it wasn't rude or nothing. But yeah, I was like, let me go ahead and go. I was early sitting in there waiting anyway.
Say I lost my skill when in fact they all been programmed and lost they feel for real. Thinking I'm trash, loving the taste of success in this drink in my glass. Watching co-sign.
They got so much things to say.
Define a new nerve and here's 3 words I work in mine.
I'm closer than I've ever been before. This feeling is new but I'm so sure I'm attracting everything I need. Manifesting all that is in me. Butterflies, share my love and spread my light.
Hey yo, Barbie dangerous, ain't a range of us, cause I 1111 angel numbers. Muse, front row next to the who's who, trying to build another Barbie doll scrolls low. They my idea. Every time I come out to walk, pictures make them disappear, but to me it's just another year. Got the kind of flair, let me see what I'ma wear, they gon' copy, I'ma wear mine clear. My hair, yeah, bitch, okay, cut your shit, face so pretty, that's they thick.
I'm in a music video right now too. Period L, period
Sometimes it feels like it feels like forever. When I'm going high, you just have to get out in the whole world beyond.
I'm really praying we got class because I just feel like the cars that I normally see near the department, I'm not seeing today. So I'm really hoping that we got class and I did not just waste my time coming here for real. Class was a success. I'm done with classes, thankfully. Done with classes for the day. I'm about to go ahead and I need to really go ahead and start my hair. I didn't section it off. I have not started it yet, but I'm gonna still give myself some time. I might start it tonight and then like finish it tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie. Like I just keep taking my precious time, but I'm giving myself till Wednesday. I don't care. And then I kind of like this style. Like this kind of cute. I ain't gonna lie. This eat down. Not gonna y'all, but I'm definitely gonna be running this back. I just left out of Food Lion. Let me take these headphones off. I just left out of Food Lion and I got me some rice and a ginger ale because I'm about to make me some little, it's like vegan rice beans and like beans, winnies and rice, but like veganized a little. But yeah, it's just not like with the real meat and stuff like that and like vegan baked beans, all that little shit. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to go back to the house. I'm about to really just chill for the day. I was gonna go ahead and start my hair, but I think I'm gonna just start that tonight, or well, yeah, probably start it tonight and then just do it tomorrow because I was really supposed to start it yesterday, but I did not feel like it. So I'm really just pushing it back further and further, but either way, it's gonna get done. It's gonna get done. Okay. Gloomy day. I'm finally done with my hair. Yesterday was the last time I was on film. I was finally starting my hair like I should have did, but it's finally done. I love it. It's so full of curls. First off, it's so full and I love it. This is like with no water, no nothing. I didn't even dip it or anything. Like, I think I want to leave it like this and probably just wet it like when I'm detangling it and stuff. I don't know. I do really like it. It is taking some getting used to because I ain't have locks in a minute. So I'm trying to, you know, get used to the feel of it. But I'm really loving it. It's real full. Super cute. Super cute. Loving it right now. I just feel like I look so rough just because I've been doing my hair. And chilling in the house and stuff. But when I get ready, get dressed, I know I'm gonna probably feel it. I might go to the mall because I want to find a top or something for Thanksgiving tomorrow because I'm about to travel back home, getting on the road in the morning. Yeah, I need to find me something. I was just gonna go to Ross and TJ Maxx tonight, but since I got time, the mall closed at 7. That gives me like an hour. So yeah, I'm probably about to go ahead and just do that and see what I could find.
Like Stanley Kubrick.
Yes, indeed. Got something, thankfully.
Eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.